Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Alienware 17 driver, required driver. So first guys, you have to come this site www.dell.com. After that, click on support and then click on driver and download. Then enter the name Alienware 17 and then click on search. Scroll down, then you can see if you can find out automatically. You just check required driver, you can find and install. Otherwise you have select the manually, so select the driver, select the operating system, Windows 10 8 7. If you are using Windows 10, so you can install the Windows 10 driver, it will be run. Then click on the categorize. So application, audio, chipset, keyboard, mouse, network, storage and all BIOS and all the driver you can see. Slow down, extract the network. So first Wi-Fi and click to download. This is download icon. After that you can see start downloading. It will take some time, depend about your internet speed. Wi-Fi driver, then it is completed. So open this Wi-Fi driver and then click for yes, then install, then next. Now this is installing and then finish it, then close.